This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Kokonowska. While you can't beat this location, you have to see this beautifully maintained 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathrooms Evernia floor plan second floor unit. Very inviting condominium with 2 screened lanai and 1 car attached garage is equipped with nice kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and tile everywhere but the bedrooms, crown moldings, new window coverings and high-impact energy-efficient hurricane windows. Water, basic cable and internet are included in condo fees. Relax with your morning coffee or evening cocktail on your beautiful lanai. Mirasol is a maintenance-free gated community with amenities including a clubhouse for entertaining, just renovated heated resort-style pool with cascading waterfall and a separate covered spa, exercise room and billiards. All that located right across the street from the new Lee Health Coconut Point facility and Coconut Point Mall, which offers an abundance of shopping, restaurants, movie theater and entertainment. Mirasol offers easy access to the sandy white beaches of the Gulf of Mexico, quick access to Naples, the Southwest Florida International Airport, RSW, within 20 minutes. Stop dreaming and live it. For more information, review the details below.